All right, class, in this video I'll be doing example 2 from section 6.3. It says graph the function f of x is equal to e raised to the x minus 2 power minus 1. So we're going to start by finding the domain. Notice that this function is exponential, whose exponential term is linear. We can conclude from that the domain is all real numbers. The x-intercept is the value of x where y is equal to 0, or where your function is equal to 0. And to solve for x, we're going to add 1 to both sides. Rewrite 1 as e to the 0 power. That way both sides of the equal sign have the same base. And since they now have the same base, we can conclude that the exponents are equal. So now the x-intercept must be 2, 0. I'm going to put a point at 2, 0. The y-intercept is the coordinate where x is equal to 0. And this is e raised to the negative 2 power minus 1, which is an irrational number. So what you can do is you can use Desmus to estimate. The y-intercept. And when you do, you'll see that the y-intercept is approximately negative 0.865. So I'm going to put a point really close to negative 1. The horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is going to be the constant term at the very end of the exponential function. So the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to negative 1. And I'm going to put a horizontal line along the line y is equal to negative 1. Now we're going to find an additional point. You could pick any value of x you like. I'm going to pick 3. And the reason why I'm going to pick x is equal to 3 is because when you take 3 and subtract 2, that's e to the first power. And we know that e to the first power is approximately 2.718. So f of 3 is approximately 1.718. And I'm going to put a coordinate right above the halfway mark right there. Right above 1.5. Now we can sketch the function. And that is f of x.